Today we've got Akhror in for driving test, first attempt, looking for a first time pass, aren't we?
Yes.
How are you feeling?
A bit nervous, but I'm fine.
Bit nervous? Good. Yeah. Right. Any questions before we start?
No.
Did you watch any videos last night?
Yes, I did.
Which ones did you watch?
The routes. The test routes.
Right. Yeah, spell your name. Right, when you're ready and go on off you go. 28th, yeah?
Yep.
Handbrakes on.
Yep.
I want a lovely smooth drive today.
Can I put this up?
Yeah, sure, just lift it up.
Thank you.
There you go. Very polite guy, this one. Really nice, really well mannered. You can tell he's not from the north. So drives out the estate, yeah?
Yep.
Oh, I'll send you a receipt today. We'll do that the night. I've got your details. When you get back in the car with the driving examiner, put your license in there, look.
Okay.
Just in a cup holder, yeah?
Yep, sure.
Have you got your phone on silent?
Yes.
You don't like using the parking brake, do you? You just forget. You just forget, or do you not like using it?
Sometimes I forget.
Signs for Tudhill.
Okay.
If that car was turning right, you would give right there.
Yep.
Yeah.
Was that right?
Yeah, it was okay. Yeah. Don't worry about signal to leave the mini roundabout because we haven't got enough time.
Yep, sure.
So don't worry about them.
But in the test,
I don't have to worry.
Okay.
Mini roundabouts, you haven't got time really, have you?
Yeah, that's true.
So just focus more on the steering. What's the speed limit on this road?
National.
Good, which is?
70.
Very good, was a bit slow. Follow the signs for the A40 exit.
Yep.
Yeah, and keep left as you go round. So there was 3 exits on that roundabout side.
Did I take the right one?
No, this is the right one. You were going to take the second one.
Yeah. But on the approach, was it right?
Yeah, you were in the left lane. It was straight ahead, so
Okay.
you picked the left lane. It wasn't up right. It was straight ahead.
Okay.
Who knows you've got your driving test then?
Everyone. I shouldn't have told everyone. But...
Yeah, they normally fail when they tell everyone. Do your parents know?
Yes, they do.
What did they say?
They said go for it, try. I'm doing fine, right? So far.
You what?
I'm doing fine so far.
No.
No.
You got one. You picked up one serious fault. What was it for?
That roundabout?
Yes, so you've come to the roundabout. The sign saying 40 miles an hour. What did you do? You're doing 48 as you're going through. You need to keep your eyes moving, yeah?
Okay. After the roundabout or before that?
When you were approaching the roundabout with the bus lane on the left, there was 40 signs there and you were doing 48.
Okay.
You should have been slowing down. You've got to look down the left and right hand sides of the road. Got to keep your eyes moving, yeah?
Yep.
Do you mean what's happening here? Wrong here. There's something wrong.
Yeah. Everybody's turning now. What? He passed the red light.
The lights must be broken. Go on, off you go.
Okay.
Keep up with that traffic. The lights is broke. Go on, keep up. Don't do this on the driving test.
Okay.
You just sit there and let the driving examiner make the decision.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
So don't go through any red lights today. And just pulling behind that car. Now, when you emerge out of here today, out of this junction, stop at the end of that road there. Have you got that?
Stop at the lights?
Yes, stop there and make sure you look, because that taxi will be blocking your view. Guess what learner drivers do there?
Just drive off.
Without even looking. Yeah? And keep it to the left, not the right hand side.
Yeah.
Right, go and open the bonnet for us, and I'll show you everything under the bonnet is. How are you feeling?
Stressing.
What? Right, you see that handle there? Just jump out.
Yep.
Can you see that handle?
Yep.
Can you pull it quite hard? Wow, he's a brute, this guy. Right, pull it again softly. That'll do. Right, go and open the bonnet. You've got to pull it again. Come here. Pull it again. Not as hard though, just pull it up. There you go. So what? Forceful the first time, second time, just a little bit light pressure. Right. Open the bonnet. Oh, what are you doing me here? Sweating like my hair. Like. Right, let's go into the test centre. Are we? You need to pass the day, Aki.
Yeah.
Dear me, you're the man. We're going to reverse into the disabled one right at the end. Have you got that?
Okay.
So just go right in the corner and just swing it in.
Mm.
Now we'll say, do you want your trainer to come with you?
Mm-hmm.
Say no.
Okay.
We'll say, do you want him there at the end? Say yes. Okay?
Yeah.
So just say yes at the end, no at the start.
Okay.
I'm not sitting in back, it's too painful for me.
Yeah.
Nerve-wracking. Now I want you to focus, Aki, yeah?
Yeah.
Damn.
What time does it start?
We've got 4 minutes.
4 minutes. I hope it's gonna be an easy route.
You what?
I hope it's gonna be an easy route.
An easy route?
Yeah.
Keep looking all around. Look over your left shoulder also.
Yep, yep.
Now remember, stop at that junction. Have you got that? And have
Yes.
a good look. That's it. Well, it's time to wish Aki the very best luck. What's your prediction? Are you going to pass or fail?
Pass, yeah,
How many
pass.
minors?
No minors.
No minors? We'll have to bribe him, yeah? Right, go and run up them stairs, because we're pushed for time. Run up them stairs and just go into the office, okay?
This.
Up them stairs
Yeah.
and in that room there, see?
Okay, yeah, sure.
Go on, I'll be 2 minutes, I'll follow you up. I've lost my phone. Right, go on.
Yep.
Shoot. Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Look at I walked into the windows. I walked into the.
Oh, that's blood.
Yeah, I walked into the
Oh.
window. I was that nervous waiting for you to come back. I walked into the side of the window that was sticking out.
Wow. Are you okay?
Well, yeah, I'm now. Tell them what you've done, Aki.
I passed.
How many faults?
Just one minor.
What
Just
was it
one
for?
minor. Was this cyclist you
Well,
said?
like
Or,
muddy. You what?
just hesitation.
Cyclist. You
Yes, sir.
could have overtook a cyclist a bit
Yeah,
earlier.
yeah, yeah. But I took extra care.
You took extra care. What was he like, the examiner?
He was really good. He was
he?
really good. Yeah. He was really, really good.
Yeah,
I liked him.
good. What
First
maneuver?
impression was good.
Yeah, what maneuver did you do?
I did everything. Honestly, he stopped me everywhere.
Yeah.
He stopped on the left. He made me stop on the left side like 3 times, and I did the reverse back into in the parking
Into a bay.
into a bay. Yes,
Right.
and drove in as well. The route was amazing.
Was it?
Yeah.
Where did you go?
Durham,
Yeah.
city center,
Yeah.
Newcastle, the roundabouts that we did.
Yeah. Oh, well
Yeah.
done. What a star man,
Yeah.
eh? Wow.
Thank you very much, Ken. Thank
You're
you.
welcome, you're welcome.
The best driver as instructor.
I wouldn't go that far. It's a good feeling, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It is.
Yeah, well done.
I'm gonna surprise everyone now.
Yeah, tell them one minor fault,
Yeah, one minor fault. Yeah.
Were you nervous when you got in the car?
I was nervous,
Yes.
but then I imagined that he's not in the car. Like,
Good.
yeah, I just
Yeah.
drove, you know. Yeah.
Good. Did it go quickly? Did it go very quickly?
Yeah.
Yeah. You were the first one out. I seen you drive out. Oh, well done, well done.
Yesterday I was doing serious faults on walk, but
Yeah.
today I was.
We got him a cancellation. He hadn't any lessons for how long? A couple of months, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And he came back last week and he took extra couple of
Yeah.
lessons. I think he had about 4 or 5 hours
Yeah.
leading up the test.
Yeah.
He's done well today, just one minor fault. And the driving examiner said it was a really lovely drive, didn't he?
Yes, he did, yes.
Yes, they're the experts. It's nice when you get praise off them, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really good. I was so relieved when he said you passed.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What, you know, when you pulled up, did it feel like you passed? Or did you feel like you'd failed?
I knew that I haven't done any serious faults, but
Did you?
yeah, but I was very nervous.
Oh, giddy, man.
Yeah.
One minor.
Yeah.
Wow. How comes you couldn't drive like that for me? Right? Save the best to last, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, well done. Did he chat much?
At the beginning, yes. At the
Yeah.
beginning, yeah.
What was he talking to you about?
He talked about weather, and
Yeah.
then he just as soon as we went on the road, he stopped.
Did he?
Yeah.
Right, just watched you drive.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, one minor. Okay. Pulled that out the bag, didn't you?
Yeah.
Gee, me.
I was so nervous.
It's nerve-wracking stuff, the driving
Yeah.
test, isn't
He said the traffic lights somewhere were not working
it? Yes.
at the beginning.
Is that what he said to you?
Not him. The lady came in and then she was like, the traffic lights are not working,
Yeah.
and yeah.
All right.
Take as much lessons as you can, guys. Practice makes perfect.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
You're absolutely right there.
The first instructor came out. He
Yeah.
was big. He was very scary, you know.
Yeah.
I was like, I thought that's my instructor.
Yeah.
But then he came out, and then I was like, okay. He looked very scary, strict, you know.
What, the big one?
Yeah, the big one. Yeah.
Yeah, I know who he is.
There was a lot of cyclists.
Is there?
Yeah. I was like, where did you guys come from? I had to. So when I was coming back as well, you know, you turn left towards the test center.
Yes.
He wanted to do emergency stop,
Yes.
and he actually stopped me for emergency
Yeah.
stop.
Yeah.
But then, as I moved on, the traffic was coming, so
Yeah.
he was like, okay, we're not gonna do it.
Right.
And then while I was turning left, there was a cyclist coming.
Yeah.
So I did my signal,
Yes.
and I just waited until he passes by.
Good. Well done.
So
Well, you're good at the emergency stuff anyway.
yeah,
Wouldn't worry about that. Right, can I have a picture?
yeah, of course, yes,
Thank you. And if I send you a link, will you do me a Google review?
yeah, of course.
Good. And I'll send you your invoice, yeah?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Now you've got your phone, get everything out. Don't
Thank you,
leave
guys.
anything.